for two?
We have some milk that's going to expire this weekend.
Oh,
yes,
of course.
How much? You want white or chocolate?
Whatever you want. Oh, chocolate, it's fine.
Do you have a bag or anything, or
just dump it in here? These kids drink so much milk. So this is what my kids had for their lunch from school and their breakfast. They had some really nice rotisserie chicken, some fruits and veggies, some nice little desserts, and a ton of milks and juice. They did give us a ton of extra milk because it was going to expire, so I stocked up on that, which is great. Then I'm just going to clean the whole kitchen, do dishes, do laundry, and hopefully finish all that for today. And this is the end of Friday, a nice, very hot bubble bath. And then the next morning, Saturday, we woke up and relaxed a little bit, watched a movie, had my coffee, literally just relaxed. After this, I went to Best Buy to pick up my camera. I pre-ordered my camera, and they did have curbside pickup. They didn't allow us to go into the store, so I just waited in line for my order. I also ordered a memory card, which I really did need. I will no longer be using my phone to record, which is great because it was slowing me down and it was having issues for my recording. I will have a video up about my camera, my lighting, and just everything I use for my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that. So what we're doing is our apartment complex is actually giving away free pizzas to the residents, so that's pretty cool. We were able to get a pepperoni pizza and a cheese pizza. It was max 2 pizzas per apartment, per vehicle. So that's pretty cool. I'm glad we got dinner for tonight and we didn't have to go anywhere but drive up to our main office, and we got a Sprite with our food, so that's exciting. But that's what we're doing today, and today is Saturday, and all we're doing is Netflix and chill, movie night, and relaxing. We're trying not to do too much. It is currently 8 o'clock on the dot. I was trying to get up at 7 and head out at 7:30 to be at the door at 8, but I haven't noticed it crazy around here, so I'm like, you know what, if I'm gonna get toilet paper, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. I do have, like I said, napkins as backups, and I did place in, well, I didn't, but my sister-in-law placed an order online. But when she was placing the order, on my end it said out of stock, and her end it said it was in stock, so kind of shady. So I'm thinking maybe with so many people ordering, maybe we might not even get it. So I don't want to fully trust on that I'll get it in a couple of days. They'll let me know if I'm even gonna get it, I guess by Tuesday I'll know. So I just rather not fully risk it and have something, even if it's 4 rolls, a pack of 4 rolls, I'll be happy with that. You wake up early, you guys. You can't get toilet paper. This is Winkle. I'm so excited we needed toilet paper. Oh, so I got 2 different kinds. See which one works best. Guys, I found chicken. So excited. I got eggs, you guys. There's a ton of eggs. But the thing is, now they're making it 1 per person. Coffee. I'm now going to be making chilaquiles. So these are called chilaquiles because my son couldn't pronounce chilaquiles, my little one, and my mother-in-law taught me how to make these. So I'm using tostadas and I'm just going to break these. You can use tortilla chips, you can use real tortillas and fry them and use that. I put a little bit of olive oil, you can use any type of oil, and you just break them in and mix them with the oil. So instead of using any kind of hot sauce or any type of salsa, I use beans. So that is the only difference from this and chilaquiles. So we use beans, and I opened up a can here and heated it up, and I just put that on top. You can put as little or as much as you want. We do like beans, so we put enough in there for us. Let this simmer a little bit and then move it around very gentle. You don't want to break all the tortilla chips, and you don't want it to get extremely soggy or anything like that. You still want some sort of crunch if you can get it. So after I put all the beans that I would like, I will go in with some shredded cheese. You can use any type. You can use Chihuahua cheese, American cheese, mozzarella cheese. We just like the Fiesta blend because it is very fine shredded, so it works really well. You can put as little or as much as you would like. And then we go in with sour cream on top of this while this is still very low heat. And we go ahead and put in the sour cream. After I put in the sour cream, I will fully seal it with either aluminum or the lid, if you have a lid for your pan, and then turn it off. And then I will be frying up 2 eggs and putting them right on top of this, and this is amazing. Like I said, if you don't like beans, if you just switch that to salsa, and it tastes so freaking good. It's really, really good. After eating, I go ahead and do more editing and more online things that I have to get done. After this is done, I will clean up the kitchen, wash the dishes, sweep the floors, the same old I do every day just to make sure I keep up with it. I decided to do nachos for dinner since I already had most of it made. It's just quick and easy right now. Had a long day, so I want to make it short. Grab them, boys. Grab it. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thanks.
Oh, we got broccoli, and I think it's either a type of burger. Got oranges. I love oranges. A Pop-Tart, I think.
You got a Pop-Tart?
Maybe.
Don't touch the food yet. We gotta go wash our hands, okay? Just picked up my kids' breakfast lunch. They had grilled cheese. They had a little side salad as well as some fruit, Pop-Tarts, a ton of milk, and that is their lunch for today. I'm gonna get into cleaning and cooking and all that good stuff. So I get into cleaning, then I will get into some editing, and then towards the end of the night I will just do my hair and get ready for tomorrow. Hey guys, I just finished straightening out my hair. I usually wear my glasses, but I was gonna start talking to you guys in Spanish. I swear I was gonna be like, pero es que la luz le pe. But the light was gonna hit the glasses and you guys are gonna get the ring light glare. I can still see though. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that I can do my hair. I know most of my vlog, I don't have my hair done and I look like La Chimostrufia, which if most of you guys know, it's a Spanish lady in a show that doesn't do her hair. Like her hair is a hot mess, and she's just a hot mess in general. And yeah, that's actually me. I feel like it's me. My looks and all that is the least of my worries during the whole week. So that is what you're gonna see. I do get glammed up if I'm gonna go out or do something, or if I'm gonna work. If I'm gonna work on one of my videos, I'm definitely gonna do it. It's something I enjoy doing. I enjoy taking my time doing my makeup and all that, and it's very relaxing. But when I have so much more to do, I tend to do that instead of just sitting down and doing my makeup. I'll try to get more into doing more of my makeup, and more glam. I'll try to get into a lot more of that, but most of the time you'll see a bun. Hey guys, I totally forgot to take you guys with me. I forgot I was vlogging, but I already had woken up, did my skincare, brushed my teeth, got ready, got my kids ready. We went to go pick up their lunches at school. Their school did send us an email stating that they still hope we go and get the lunches, and it is a huge help for us because it is not only lunch, it's breakfast and lunch. So that saves us time and money, and it's just a great help, and I really do appreciate it. And I get them out of the house too, you know, get them out, get them to see the light a little bit. So since we do have playgrounds around here as well, but we're not allowed to go, we don't have any like little walking paths or anything to do. So we're probably gonna see if during the week we can take them somewhere we can walk. But even so, I mean, I don't wanna go out when we're supposed to stay home. The only other time I will go out today is to the mail because I have to have these 2 packages sent. It's something I have to do. I've already held on to them for a few days and I have to send them through. After I got home, I made banana bread. I had a ton of bananas that were going to go bad, so I decided to make some bread. And I also made the carne su jugo. And it is amazing, you guys. This stuff is so good. There's beans, there's steak, there's bacon, there's hot dog. There's a bunch of stuff in there. And it's really delicious. So we just ate dinner. And I just cleaned the rest of the house. Cleaned out the dishwasher. Put away everything. And then my kids helped me clean. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys like my vlog. If you do, please comment, let me know down below so I can make more of these. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on my next video.